Hi guys, this is Beam 520. Let's see what's inside the box. There's a remote, a power cable, then we have the projector, a user manual, and a warranty card. Now let's understand the projector in a more deeper way. You'll see a sticker here. You would have to remove this. Now let's understand how you can adjust the height and angle of the projector. So hold the projector in this way. It exert a little pressure in downwards direction. The moment you do it, it will open like this. Move it to your right, first downwards and then towards right. Then it will open up like this, and you have to keep it like this. Now this height is adjustable. You can move it upwards or downwards, adjusting the height. And in order to adjust the angle, this is also there. You can move it in like this way. You get 90-degree rotation and height adjustment in this projector. At the back side of the projector, there are a few ports. The first one is an HDMI port, then an audio aux, a USB port wherein you can connect your pen drive, and a power socket. You would have to connect this part of the power cable here, and then the other part of it would go into the power source. At the base of the projector, we have a few rubber pads as well. These ensure that the projector doesn't slip whenever you keep it on any table. Also, we have two wall hanging holes. You can use this to mount your projector onto the wall. Now I've connected the projector to the power source. In order to switch it on, there are two ways that you can follow. First one is either you can press this button or you can press the button present at the top of the remote. Let's go with the first method. Just click this one. The projector is on now. You can see the screen. The screen may seem a bit blurry to you, so we'll adjust the focus manually. For that, you can see a sticker at the top of the projector which says rotate to focus. So there is a ring right here in the front. We should rotate it in order to adjust the focus manually. So we'll do that now. I guess this looks good for me, and this is how one must adjust the focus manually.